So hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So I know I'm looking a little bit yellow. What happened is I did my foundation and I used my Maybelline the 24-hour stay, of which I have two shades. One is the one that matches me, which is really pink, and then I have one that's more on the yellow side. And I kind of didn't pay attention and I'm looking like this now. So I'm very sorry for that. I swear I know how to like match my skin, but I don't know. I just had like I need to give this to someone else because honestly, it doesn't match me like at all. Look at my neck. Like, oh my god. But anyways, happy Gemini season. I always love when there's the start of a season because it means I get to do this like super cool makeups, because where else am I gonna just put out a very like blue eye or something like that. So it's always nice to have this like moments where I can like go crazy with my makeup basically, which is why I like this like Zodiac makeup videos so much, and I hope you like them too. I did a little bit of research. I googled it. Basically, I googled Gemini, and I found out that the color, like the Gemini color, is yellow, which I was like not expecting at all, because when you Google as well Gemini aesthetic, which is what I kind of did, which is what I kind of do for like all of my looks, my Zodiac looks. Every single one of them was like violet. Like that was purple. Like no, those were the colors. Like violet, purple, maybe a little bit of a blue every once in a while. But mainly like 95% of them were violet. And then the other 5 of course were yellow. From people that actually know that yellow is the Gemini color. Which I didn't. So. But I kind of like that. You know, the stereotype, of course, for Gemini is that they're two-faced. Of course, the twins, dual personality, whatever. So I kind of wanted to build on that. I was really like thinking I would do like a cool look, like half of this face doing something, half of this face doing another thing. I thought about doing like a very simple like black wing and then a full-on rainbow look, but I don't know, I was kind of like toying between this like idea, and then I found out that yellow is the color for Gemini, but everyone just kind of associates it with violet, and violet and yellow are complementary colors. So I thought, you know what, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do one eye like very bright yellow, nice, and then another one I'm gonna do very violet and like dark, and yeah, kind of like that. So I'm very excited about it. If you're very interested in how everything turns out, then just keep watching. Okay, so to start, I think I'm gonna do like this eye yellow and this eye purple. I'm gonna start with the yellow eye, and this is gonna be like one of those videos, like every single one of my video, where I use multiple palettes. So bear with me on that. But to start this eye, I'm gonna use my Colourpop. This is the Yes Please palette, and I'm gonna use the yellow shade right here, which is called I always get confused with this palette, as if the names are like the one that's directly behind it or it's supposed to be mirrored. So I don't know if it's Mischief or French Kiss. But anyways, I'm gonna use the yellow shade, and I'm just gonna put that like all over like my crease, up my crease, my lip, everywhere, just everywhere. And I'm gonna give this like a very like rounded shape around the eyes. And what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna put that same yellow but all over my lid. I'm also taking the yellow and putting it on my lower lash line. Okay, and now I'm gonna leave this because basically what I wanted to do is, you know the look that's kind of like really cool right now where they get like one line across the whole eye? Well, I want to do it like this eye is all yellow and it has a violet line, and this eye is all like violet and it has like a yellow line. So I'm gonna kind of leave it like this and go into my other eye. So for this eye, I am taking my Take Me Back to Brazil palette by BH Cosmetics, and but I'm gonna take this shade right here and put that like all over my lid, my crease, like everywhere. Okay, so this is a lot more pink than what like the color is gonna be. But if you've ever worked with violets, you're gonna know they're so difficult to work with. They're actually quite difficult shades. So I am gonna go now into this violet right here, which is like the color I actually wanted it. But with this base, I can kind of like blend it easier, basically. But again, I am taking that one on a fluffy brush and just putting it all over. And what I'm gonna do now is pack the same violet color but on my lid. And I'm gonna put that on my lower lash line. But we're here. Like, if both my eyes had like this intensity, it would be okay. But I feel like one next to the other, they're just like, they're a lot. Okay, I'm now gonna go into making that line right there, and for that I'm gonna use my Juvias Place. This is the Magic Mini palette. And again, first I'm gonna go with my with my yellow eye, and I'm gonna take, you know what? I could have put this one on this eye now that I think of it, but yeah, I'm gonna do that. Actually, I changed my mind. I'm gonna take this shade, this Ife, and I'm gonna put that on this eye because I want to. Oh my god, okay, like I don't know if it changed a lot, but we're going with it. Okay, now I'm gonna take that same shade called Ife and I'm gonna create like a straight line on the middle like of my eye. And for that I'm gonna take like this Jacqueline Hill X Morphe 43 brush and hope for the best. I think I missed the center of my eye, but you know what? It is too late now. And I'm actually gonna follow it like kind of straight to my lower lash line. This was probably one of my worst ideas yet, but I am filming, so I'm gonna stop. It's okay. Everything's okay. I'm gonna go with that same brush. I don't even know. I hope if I put a lash in it, it's gonna just work better. But I'm gonna take this shade called Fossil and just gonna go over it and see if a little bit of glitter and shimmer works in my favor. Okay. I think the other eye is just gonna be better. But I am taking that same Fossil shade and putting that on my inner corner. Okay, and for this side, I'm gonna see, like, actually, I think I'm gonna cut a little line with concealer because I don't think gold is gonna go well over this. So I'm just taking a little bit of concealer and I am cutting a line into my crease. And I'm now gonna take my Yes Please palette and go into this gold and just put that into the line. And now I'm gonna take that gold and put it on my lower lash line. I told you this eye was gonna like be better than this one. I actually like this eye. I think it's nice. I don't know what this one is, but we're okay. Everything's okay. And now I'm gonna put that same, like this same gold on my inner corner and my brow bone. Okay, and now I'm gonna go off camera and apply a little bit of liner and put some falsies to see if I don't look like this crazy. Okay, you know what? I think it came together. I think the lashes actually might have saved this look. Like every single look I do. But I don't know, it looks, it's looking okay. Or maybe it's just me like trying to fool myself, but I actually think it looks okay. And I actually want to use this shade over here, which is called Marshmallow. You know what? I am so feeling this look. Like both sides, I just love. Like I love this one more than I do this one. I'm not here to lie to you. I'm not gonna lie to you. I like this one a lot, but I don't like this one. But I actually like it, this one as well. I think it's nice. I think it's like different and nice. But I don't know, following this eye, this like violet trend, I am gonna use this Huda Beauty Material Girl Matte Liquid Lipstick. Oh my god, I don't know how to talk anymore, honestly. Matte Liquid Lipstick. Okay, I'm gonna put this on and that's gonna be the look. Okay, I completely take back whatever I said about me not feeling this look. I feel so amazing. I don't know what it is, but I love it. I did not thought I was gonna like it. Well, actually, thought I was gonna love it at first, like when I wasn't doing anything. Then I did the yellow. And I was like, okay, okay. And then I did this line, and it was like, oh god. But then I put on some lashes, and you know, the rest is history. I love this look. And if you liked it too, then don't forget to please give it a big thumbs up. And okay, I'm gonna see you in the next one. Bye!